Still not where I want it. Gotta get it. Oh, I lost it. Yep. Gotta get it up high enough. Didn't really want to use. Where are you? All right. Okay. Get it up. Line up over there. All right. Me it again. Now, it's in there. Actually, that's pretty cool. Because you actually shove it up high enough. I think I actually shoved it up high enough. And now it's a little higher than it needs to be. Yeah, now you got a little higher. A little higher than it needs to be. Get over there. Sure why it'd be so difficult. Let's try that. Oh, you had it. I lost it. This would be nice to have a two-man job here. Ah, you pain. Jesus. I think I'll just be able to line it right up. But I'm fighting that spring. Try that. Feels pretty good right there. Oh, I think I started it. I think I got a start on it. You gonna start? Yeah, sure did. All right. All right. like you might have got it. I think I might have got it. Looks like it's pretty flush. Yep. I don't know how much torque goes on it. I'm not gonna get it too tight. That's all I need. Okay. I'm happy with that. Okay. The sides torque pretty good. Okay. Good enough. Oops. Huh. Oh, terrific. We got it back up in there. Okay. No, I don't think. I'm not gonna be able to get that loose. I don't think. Nope. Oh well. Alright, well, it's alright. Just gonna have to, it'll have to hang. It goes back in its hole. If you wanna spend some time and see if you can get that to break loose, all power to you. But once that you're punching aluminum. You're putting aluminum in, or steel into aluminum, and that's what happens. So the threads came out. That's the threads just bolted to that, and that's why I wasn't able to get through. But, anyway, takes care of that. Alrighty. That'll be the other. There we go. Okay, she was still a little loose up there. You can feel the play. So go ahead and tighten it up. Okay. Till you got no more play. And it's close. Really close. Right here. This one. How loose this one is. Okay. I don't want to mess with that. I'll have a little break on me. Okay. Alright, takes care of that. No movement. Okay, that's sealing. This doesn't get me a new wiper blade. For now, I'm going to do that right away. Should spray some lithium in there anyway. Start with. I haven't even used it in a while. Alright. Yeah, definitely. White lithium grease. Alright. Oh yeah. Get all this. It's because it hasn't been used in a long time. So what you do that, spray it with some. I got a new batch of. Cause I don't think I got left. Got enough left in it? Nope. That's the end of that. I just bought a new can of blaster. Break up that crap. Ah, geez. That'll help. Bust that up. Here we go. Alrighty. Okay. Oh, we're good here, huh? Don't know why that wouldn't be lined up, but it has to be lined up to lock down. But as long as you got a good seal, around here, it can be all right. Beautiful. Freeze up. All right, so thanks for watching. Thank you, Dave Pyrike from Florida, getting it to me on time, and it worked great. So for those watching, if you're looking for parts for your Escape, check out this guy on eBay. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. You'll catch me on the next Project Escape.